Hello everyone, this is INE Foundation Lab 2 and Section 8.2 IPv6 Redistribution. This is last section of INE Foundation Lab 2 and we have to redistribute between EIGRP version 6 and OSPF version 3 on R4. Okay, before I conclude this section, let me explain what is connected redistribution rule. And how we have to keep in mind this rule for mutual redistribution in our routing protocols. Okay, when explicit connected, the distribution of a specific interface is done into protocol. Okay, what is explicit connected distribution? Okay, let me show this here. Okay, we have one router. Let's see, it is one router. This router. This router has one interface. This interface could be loopback or physical interface. This interface is in EIGRP. Let's say GRP. We have another interface, and this interface is also in OSPF. And for this, let me select this. Let me just call this E1, and I'll call this E2. Okay. On the first I'll create a route map. Okay, route map. And under this route map, I match interface. Now match this E1 interface. And on the route, let's call this route map X. Okay, route map X, I match the interface, match this in E1 interface. Then on the EIGRP routing protocol, on the router EIGRP. On the router EIGRP, I redistribute connected, redistribute connected, and route map. This route map number X. Actually, I redistribute this interface into my EIGRP routing protocol. This is called explicit connected distribution of a specific interface. It is done by route map. Okay, when explicit connected distribution of a specific interface is done into protocol, it is done into protocol EIGRP. Okay, route map and distributed by connected, it is connected and route map this interface into EIGRP. And another protocol is also being redistributed in addition to connected. Okay, another, and under this, what EIGRP and redistribute connected are also redistribute. Let's try. Also redistribute OSPF. And what will happen? Then this connected interface of OSPF will not redistribute into EIGRP. Then I have to add this E2 in this route map. I have to change this route map and add E2 into match interface E1 and E2, so that E2 could be able to be distributed into URGRP. This is the rule is said. Is in addition to connected, then connected interface of second protocol will not automatically distribute into URGRP. The connected interface must be manually accounted rather to connected distribution of current whatever. This is the connected distribution rule. Okay, let's configure this section. The redistribute between ERJ version 6 and OSP version 3 on R4. Okay, I'll open this R4. This R2, R4. Okay, let's see. First, I want to redistribute OSPF version 3 into ERGRP on R4. Just to show, for this, I have to this interface 1.46 is in here for OSPF. Okay, show down 5 section for the OSPF and show down 5 section for the ERGRP. Okay, I want to redistribute OSP variant into ERGRP first. Let's do show interface. Show IP interface brief. Show interface 46. Okay, now config T. Then on the route OSPF, then add this family. I have to specify this family version 4 version 6. Then type this on the topology base. I have to go topology base. Then type redistribute. Here OSPF it means it is OSPF only OSPF version 3. OSPF my process OSPF process ID is 1. Then I have to spell metric because I'm redistributing to OSPF. We're redistributing to ERGRP. I have to spell bandwidth. Bandwidth is this one is bandwidth. Then I have to specify metric. Excuse me. Metric in distance microsecond. I have to reduce 10. Where is this? It is 1000. I have to specify 100 instead of 1000. 10 microsecond. Then reliable 255 and load is 1 and MTU is the last option. We are in an MTU is this. MTU is 1400 and at the end include connected. Okay, do show the section with the ERGRP. Here I don't have a specific connected distribution rule here because there is no route map for this distribution. I simply distributed this into OSPF. Excuse me, I distribute this EIGRP. I distribute this OSPF into EIGRP. On the EIGRP, I distribute this OSPF into EIGRP. There is no route map for this redistribution. Okay, now let's do our now let's reduce EIGRP into OSPF. Exit. Do showdown pipe section for the OSPF version 3. Okay, I'll go OSPF version 3. Here we have connected with map and connected specific connected group. And on the address family, I type redistribute EIGRP and the system is file, and I have include connected. Okay, here I have to show down pipe section with map. So I have connected a route map for connected to OSPF or route map for loopback, and I have used this route map and redistributed into OSPF. Okay, now this okay, I have created route map. I matched the I have created a route map here. I matched the loopback and redistributed that loopback 0 into OSPF version 3 by redistribute connected. Okay, then I have redistributed EIGRP into OSPF version 3. Then, as this rule says, the connected interface of EIGRP will not be distributed into OSPF. I have to add this EIGRP connected interfaces into this route map. Okay, let's see. We have to add this interface 1.24 into this interface, this route map. Do show IP EIGRP interface. This is for IPv4. Okay, I have to specify IPv6 to show IPv6 EIGRP interface. Okay, this is my IPv6 EIGRP interfaces. I have loopback and this interface. Okay, I have this loopback into my route map, as we can see here. Then I have to add this interface to my route map. Okay, let's add 1 point. This interface into my root map. I'll go config. I'll go to root map. And match interface loopback 0 and Ethernet this to shut down exit to shut down. Now I have this interface into my to shut down pipe section for the section root map. Then do shut down pipe section for the OSPF version 3. Okay, I have created root map. I merged these two interfaces and redistributed into OSPF, and I redistributed the IGRP into OSPF version 3 either. Then the connected interface of my EIGRP will not advertise. Then for this to advertise, for this interface to advertise, I have to add EIGRP connected interfaces loopback 0, and this is loopback 0 and Ethernet 0/1.24 into my root map. Okay, that's it. Now let's verify. Ping. Let's check to shut down pipe section to the EIGRP, and this is dispute OSPF version 1 on the address family, IPv6 address family. Okay, now switch 1, I want to test my pin connectivity. Let's TCLS. TCLS. Now this. TCLS. And pin. That's it. I have connectivity for all my redistribution. If I do check on do show IPv6, and if I do redistribution on R4, then this will become LSA type 5. This will become ASPR, and we will have OE1, OE2 vintage for in show IPOSPF command. You will see type 5 ASXR link state ensures databases. Let's show and I put the database. I have this type 5 LSS. What this? And show IP version 6 OSPF. No. Show IP version 6 ERGRP. Show IP version 6 root ERGRP. That's it. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. This was our last section of our INE Function Lab 2, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for viewing.